full-size mat. It's our JT Mesh 72 by 24 inches. Again, those are the dimensions. So that is 6 by 2 feet. So your whole body absorbs all of those benefits. And let me show you, it's absolutely phenomenal. So again, as always, our little handy carrying case, great for travel and transport, or when you're not using it, fold it up, always put it in the bag, just keep it safe, clean and everything. So let's open it up and see what we've got here. A side note, I always like to mention that if you're uncertain about the products or whichever, we offer a great warranty trial, a great warranty policy. So it's a 5-year warranty. It has a 90-day free trial period. You can send it back, whatever. Very few people do that. If you get the mat, you're not going to send it back because you're going to try it once and you're going to fall in love. But still, some people usually when they send it back, it's to get an even better mat because they love it so much. But I don't want to get ahead of myself. Let's open it up. There we go. Gotta stay patient here. All right, now that we got that open, let's unfold this. So you fold it out like this, and you can already just see how large this mat is, how amazing it is. Look at how large this mat is. Your whole body can fit on this mat right here. You don't have to target specific areas, which is great, but with this, your whole body reaps from the benefits. So let's get this out just so you can see again how beautiful all of these stones is. And here we are. Just look at this. The other one was great. It's a little smaller, not a little smaller, it's pretty much smaller than this. This is phenomenal. It's flexible too, so you can drape it over a lounge chair you have, use it in bed, you can roll it up when you're not using it. It's a very, very versatile product, which is great, which is why it's one of our, best sellers. Still, same gemstones and everything. It comes with the same, the goodie bag we include with every one of our products, which of course comes with the remote control, the warranty card. Again, this is used to register your product's warranty on our website, and the Mylar blanket. And the Mylar blanket's really great with this one because it's a full-size mat. So when you're laying down, you have the Mylar blanket over you. It insulates the heat, keeps it in. Phenomenal for sweating yourself out of toxins, cleansing the body, all of that good stuff. I want to show you this because this is really, really nifty. So let's open this up. This is our waterproof cover. So let's say you are, using the Mylar blanket and you are sweating a bit. To protect the mat, each of them come with their own individual covers. And this one, it fits perfectly around it. So you see, you just unfold it as such. It has these great straps on the back. So these tie around the back side of the mat. And then look at, it just fits perfectly right over the mat. Again, you can take these things, these straps, tie them around the back side of the mat. And it even provides a little bit of additional comfort, as well as it's waterproof and sweat-proof too. So all of our products come with this, with their associated size. We also do sell cotton padded versions of this cover. So that's really good for if you want that whole waterproof, protective aspect of it, but also want an additional layer of comfort. Our cotton padded covers are phenomenal. We got you covered. We thought of everything. 3 therapies, the natural gemstones, again, jade, beautiful green color there, captivating. I always say that you could look at jade for hours. It's like an ocean of beauty, just so, so beautiful. And then, of course, the tourmaline gemstones, which are great too for negative ions, energies, all that good stuff. So there's also, again, the same heating element throughout the entire mat. So you can control that with the controller. You can adjust the temperature between room temperature, which is about 70 degrees, all the way up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. That's really good for sweating, especially with this one. The gemstones get really, really kind of heated up. Super, super relaxing, super great for back pain, just calming down at the end of the day as well. And then there's also, of course, same as the last time, the negative ion therapy. When the gemstones are heated, they release those negative ions, really help with breathing, really kind of just giving you a refreshing, rejuvenated feeling. What's better than that? It calms the mind and body, relieves any kind of back pain, super great for sleep. And again, winter's right around the corner. It's going to get cold this year, so you need something that is absolutely great for warming yourself up. Again, this comes with a 5-year warranty, 90-day free trial period, and a lifetime upgrade and trade-in policy, which is great if you want to upgrade your mat